Hey everyone, this is Drake from Drake's Odyssey. Today we're gonna unbox a computer, but we're not gonna build it today. Today's just the unboxing. Done. Start unboxing. This is the keyboard and mouse. Hope you can see it. Instructions right there. Now it's time for some more. This, I'm not sure what it is. All I know is that it's clear plastic. This, I don't know, so let me look in the instructions. It should be, it's the USB board. Instructions always come in handy. This, I'm also not sure what it is. So it's the power board. This is the Raspberry Pi brain of computer. I'm not sure what this is. It is the power cable. No, wait, it's not the power cable because it has three. It's the split power cable. Sound sensor. Time to get another piece. What's this? Let me see. It is the brain block. It's going to hold the Raspberry Pi brain. Oh, one of the biggest, the battery. There's still more. This is the where was blue? It's the DIY speaker. What are these? This is the cable block, I think, if I'm saying it correctly. And this is the micro power cable. What are the others? This looks weird. Let's see what it is. This is the power plug. This, I'm not sure what it is, but it's the data block. I just found that out. Alright. The next piece is going to be a big one. This is hard. This is the, I wonder what the yellow cable is. Yellow cable. some HDMI cable, I think. For the last piece, wait, there are 2 more pieces only. Oof, this one's basically the biggest. It's the screen. Actually, there's more than 2. There's multiple. So then, this has to be the power cable, and I guess this is the touch cable. Those are all the pieces of the computer. Let me spread them out neatly so you can see each one of them. Very, very clear. Just one fell. In fact, 2 have fallen. Good. These are all the pieces. I think that these will attach, but it'll be a long time until then. Stay tuned if you want to see my next part, the next part of this video, and then we will be building the computer. If you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. See you in the next Race Odyssey video. Bye!